can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling.
Hello you guys. So it is late at night. Well, it's not late at night, it's like 7 p.m. and I just got home from work and I thought I'd start the next vlog tonight. That way tomorrow it's seamless. I'm not doing anything in particular tonight. I am so tired. I've had an exhausting week. Exhausting but successful. I'm happy at the end of it. I'm just exhausted. So I'm kind of just I was actually going to work tonight, but I decided no, I am taking a break and giving myself room to celebrate, to be sad, to feel whatever emotion I need to feel tonight. So yeah, I just actually, like I said, I just got home, so I'm gonna change in a little bit and then I'm gonna do laundry. Actually no, I'm not gonna do laundry. I was gonna do laundry, but that's work and I just said I'm not doing work. So I'm gonna change. I'm gonna have my dinner, which is a leftover chicken Caesar wrap from lunch, and I'm gonna pour myself a glass of bubbly because this has been a week of accomplishment and achievement. I'm gonna put on some TV. I wish I had a cupcake, but I don't. It's fine. And I'm just gonna show. But before that, I was gonna open some packages. I know what this is. I don't know what this box is. I can't remember. I'm not sure. There's one box I'm waiting for, but it's not supposed to be this light, so I don't know what that is. But this, I don't even know why this is such a big box, but this is our Christmas tree topper, which I ordered from Target. And I'm excited. I don't know why it's in such a huge box. So wasteful. Oh goodness. This is literally the box for the topper, guys. Please compare. Like they didn't have a, but anyway, it's fine. So this is our tree topper. I hope you guys can see. Yeah, there you go. I hope you guys can see. It's like an angel. I didn't want to get a star because it's so basic. So I decided to get the angel instead. I just now need to figure out how to open this box. So this is the thing. It's like a little angel. Let me see if I can plug it in so you guys can get the vibe. See the vibe, but my plug is very down low here. There we go. You guys see that? So cute. There we go. That's a better view. So this is what we're putting on the top of our tree. Interesting thing about a lot of these ornaments, they don't have an on-off switch. I guess you're just supposed to keep them on forever. First world vibes. You don't save electricity here. You just put the things on. Anyway, next box is this box. It's from no idea, honestly. I have one delivery that didn't come in full, but I don't know if this is it because this is so light. So light. I don't think it is. This is basically, I'll show you guys, it's a plant pot that I bought from Urban Outfitters during the Black Friday sales. Basically what happened was that since we got our plants, I never actually bought plant pots, and I really feel like I need to maybe repot some of my plants, like, you know, move into the next stage of their lives. So that's why I decided to get some plant pots. So this is the plant pot. You know, the light is so much, but I don't know if you guys can see. It's like this creamish speckled pot, and it actually comes with a saucer. And I love that it's got this like corrugated vibe, so the water doesn't just spill out to the side. And that's what it looks like. Hey you guys, so it's a little bit later, so I finished eating, so I'm pretty stuffed, surprisingly, and I was just catching up on some of my favorite YouTubers. Like, you know, everyone's putting out all their Vlogmas content, and I'm absolutely here for it. Like, I just love seeing everyone's vlogs. I was watching this evening, I watched Octavia B, who is, I think she's based in Jersey, who's great. Like, I love her content, and I feel like she definitely was one of the inspirations for me, like going legit and vlogging consistently. And I was also watching some South African girls that I really like. Guys, please plug me on like Namibian YouTubers that do like vlogs. And of course, I'm not like, I know Ndina, I know Ndapewa, all of those girls, those are my homegirls. Via YouTube, by way of YouTube. So I know all of them. It's just that I feel, and maybe an unpopular opinion here, I feel like for me, a lot of the Namibian YouTubers that I've come across that do vlogs, and I'm not talking about like sit down videos, I'm talking about vlogs, because honestly that's what I'm trying to watch now, because it's Vlogmas, everyone's putting out content. So for me, a lot of Namibian YouTubers are not consistent. They'll like have a video up every couple of months. Like, I mean, I definitely know how hard it is to be consistent, but yeah. So that's the one thing. The other thing is that a lot of the people getting into YouTube in Namibia now are significantly younger than me, and I think that because they're at different places in their lives, a lot of them, what they would film doesn't necessarily speak to me, because I'm like at a different stage in my life, because obviously age difference. So that's definitely not shading their content or anything. It's just a fact of the matter. Like, I don't watch a lot of YouTubers who are that much younger than me. I think my demographic is like, I want to say 24 to 35, and I mean, boring old lady content, right? Me. And it's yeah. So I think that's what I've come across. So, or like a lot of Namibian YouTubers do a lot of like skits and like that kind of content, and honestly I've just never been the person who's into that kind of content, like pranking channels and stuff like that. It's never just appealed to me. But yeah guys, please plug me into your favorite Namibian lifestyle vloggers. I actually wanted to pause this video that I was watching and to watch the new episode of Real Housewives of Potomac, because I don't watch Sunday's episode, and I think Sunday's episode was meant to be insane, because I feel like, I think some of the husbands like got into it, so you know when the husbands get into it, like it's reached that level. So I think I want to watch that quickly. But before I do that, yesterday Yom bought me these Smart Sweets. He got me 2. So I got plugged on these by another YouTuber here. Her name is Janet, and who I actually really love her content. She does a lot of like fitness content, and she usually, guys, if I'm having a lazy day, I'll watch her channel, because she's got a lot of like health and fitness related videos that always make me like at least want to do something, whether it's, even if it's not in the gym, like sometimes she'll have like healthy, like what she eats in a day vibes, and I'll be inspired for that day kind of thing. But anyway, she had shown these on her YouTube and on her Instagram, and basically the concept of these is that they're sweets, but they have like minimal sugar. So this whole bag has only 110 calories, which is crazy to me. That's so little for the entire bag. and they have 0 fats, 0 cholesterol, bit of sodium, and then it's 4 grams of sugar in all. Like literally this entire pack of sweets has 4 grams of sugar, and that's it, which I thought was pretty awesome. And it's not like, it's naturally flavored, so like no artificial colors, artificial sweetness. So I thought that was pretty cool, and I just want to try those. These are sour. Ooh, they smell so good. Sour gummy bears. Ooh. These are good. I don't know what they're coated in, because it's not like the grainy sugar. Oh, not fun. These are good gummy bears. I'll eat those. And then these are like Smart Chews. I think they're maybe supposed to be like Starburst candy. Oh, they're plant-based too, so I know Ndapera. I am Ndapera if you're watching this. No, you would love these. Maybe if I come home one day, I'll bring some along for you. I know she's like very into plant-based recipes and stuff. How am I supposed to open this? Oh, and they're individually wrapped. Yeah, they look like Starburst candies. This is the watermelon one. It's also similar. It's also got only, I think, 3. This one is 3 grams of sugar actually. They look different from Starburst, so you can definitely see they're not artificially colored. Cause yeah, that's what they look like. They don't taste bad. They're actually good. It's just the texture that is throwing me off a bit. They're very chewy. Chewier than Starburst, but I think it's because they've got less artificial vibes in it. Very chewy, but the flavor is actually good. Not bad. I think they're a bit too chewy for me. I don't like chewy things. Like I don't like toffee, that kind of thing. I like things that are easily chewed. And this one is mango. Oh, so I think like no wonder it's chewy, because I think they probably used a lot of like dried fruit to get this consistency. This is the mango. It actually is reminding me of dried mango. Okay. Yeah, it's dried mango. This is dried mango. I can taste that. Just not as dry as what you'd find like hanging in the store.
It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You and me, doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset, it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows in the rain is falling.
Hey guys, good morning. So I'm making some pancakes for breakfast. Yeah, it's like the home style ones, not the American style ones, because African style is the best. See if I don't burn my...
It will always be Christmas in my heart. Christmas. We're gonna dance.
We're gonna dance, dance, dance,
Come on.
dance. We're gonna dance, dance, have a good time. Dance, dance, all night long. We're gonna dance, dance, and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song.
Hey,